Okay, so Instagram had a little update today. Now, it doesn't seem such a big deal, but actually, if you are left-handed, it could possibly really make using Instagram much easier. So here I am inside of Stories, and as you can see, I've opened up the menu on the left. If you didn't know that you could do that, when you actually close it, you can't see it as well. So if I put it down a little bit, well, you can just see it there. So when you click that down arrow, it opens up the whole menu. Now, there's a new element to this menu. Up the top here, you see you've got this left-right arrow. If I click that, it brings the menu to the right. So obviously I'm right-handed, so actually using it would be quite good because I can click on everything with my thumb and I can change everything around, which is quite cool, and so on. So it's just a small little update that they've done. So let's come out of there. So to get it again, you press the down button, and then at the top there's this left right arrow, so click that and it brings it to the left. So I usually hold my phone with my right hand. So if you're left-handed and you hold your phone with your left hand, you could see, I can't really hold it very well, you could actually click all of those elements with your thumb on the left, and then when you're right-handed you can actually click all of those elements with your thumb on the right. So just a little update from Instagram that I thought might make it a little bit easier for you to use the Stories elements. See you soon.